13 weather.
Clouds have overtaken Tuscaloosa. It's now a gray sky, replacing that beautiful blue that we've had for the past couple of days. The wind is out of the east-northeast. The air is very dry, so these clouds, they're not going to drop any rain for a while. Tomorrow morning, that changes as the entire atmosphere starts to get a lot more humid as an area of low pressure near the Gulf Coast sends that moisture northward. So rain and thunderstorms are likely during the day Thursday. Primary time frame here, 11 a.m. Thursday to 8 p.m. Wind gusts could go over 50 miles per hour and a tornado could develop out of some of these storms. I really think the greatest risk of severe weather is going to wind up to the south of Birmingham, although the Storm Prediction Center has drawn this outline all the way up to Cullman, Blount, Marshall, Etowah, Cherokee counties. The more instability, the fuel for these storms is greater farther to the south. So let's talk about when this could happen. It's a fairly wide window because we're looking at an isolated storm here and there that could have severe characteristics of strong gusty winds or a short-lived tornado from about 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. below that white line. So think Highway 82. South of Highway 82, 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. And then from about noon to 8 p.m. around Jefferson, Shelby, Talladega County, Clay County, a small chance of an isolated severe thunderstorm in this range on Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening. In the here and now, things are nice and dry, starting to pick up on some raindrops high up in the atmosphere down close to Meridian, Mississippi from WVTM 13 Live Doppler. But the real rain, that's happening close to the Gulf Coast with this swirling storm system. And as this moves to the north, here's why I think the greatest risk of severe weather is going to be to our south, because of the amount of fuel. There's none available tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. It's all down here near the Florida and Alabama coastline. Through tomorrow afternoon, watch what happens though. Thunderstorms start lifting northward. We get this persistent band of rain up around Cullman and Blount, Marshall, Etowah counties. Just a hint of some instability here that might be enough for a lightning strike or two. But the real fuel is down to the south, closer to U.S. Highway 80 and certainly south of Interstate 20 from Tuscaloosa to Birmingham to Anniston. 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, that unstable air creeps a little farther north, so that's where we may see one or two isolated storms. But beyond this, the majority of it's just going to be some rain. So the bottom line, just be prepared tomorrow for the risk of a strong storm here or there. It's more of a be aware day than a change your plans for it kind of day. High at 69 in Birmingham, mid to upper 60s from Birmingham southward, even some 70s. Looks like mainly low 60s up toward the north where it rains a bit more consistently. Mid to upper 60s in the early afternoon with an east wind at 10 to 15. Chance of a storm or two left over on Friday. More showers coming in late Saturday through early Sunday. And next week starts out nice, cool, and dry.